Welcome to the Mind Flowic. Let's start today's session. Begin by finding a comfortable position in a quiet and peaceful space. Allow yourself to fully relax, feeling the weight of your body sinking into the surface beneath you. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of any thoughts or distractions and focus on the present moment. Visualize yourself standing at the base of a mountain. This mountain represents the challenge or task that requires your peak performance. As you look up at the mountain, notice its sheer size and the difficult terrain that lies ahead. Take a moment to acknowledge any fears or doubts you may have about your ability to succeed. Now, imagine yourself equipped with all the tools and skills you need to conquer the mountain. Visualize yourself feeling confident, focused, and determined. Take a few deep breaths, and with each exhale, imagine yourself becoming more and more energized and alert. As you begin your ascent, picture yourself taking each step with purpose and intention. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the experience, feeling the cool mountain air on your skin and the strength of your muscles as you climb higher and higher. Whenever you encounter an obstacle or a difficult section of the trail, remind yourself of your inner strength and resilience. Take a moment to breathe deeply and visualize yourself overcoming the challenge with ease. As you near the summit, imagine the feeling of accomplishment and pride that will come with reaching the top. Take a final deep breath and set your intention to bring your newfound focus and determination to your upcoming challenge or task. When you feel ready, slowly bring your attention back to the present moment. Take a few deep breaths and slowly open your eyes. Remember that you have the power and strength within you to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Trust in yourself and your abilities, and let this meditation guide you to your peak performance.